My name's Mark Puck. I work for Corsair Fanatec and I'm the product manager for sim racing cockpits. The first instinct for us was to design the cockpit to make it look like it was from a race car. So if you look at the silhouette of our cockpit, if you were to open the door of a race car, you would see these roll cage tubes going past the seat.
Yeah, it really gives that level of immersion, like you're getting into a wheel-to-wheel car.
Like you're hopping into a real GT car.
Yes, absolutely.
And the driving position is also set up to be GT style, but we can also recline the seat and turn it into a Formula style.
Just speak to it, what you want.
So the seat can recline right back and we can change it to a Formula style, raise the pedals up. Everything's adjustable without tools. That was another big thing.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Yeah, so we designed it so once you've assembled it, you don't have to get your toolbox out and change it if you want to. You can change all the parameters, all the adjustments by hand. And you can fit someone from, say, 4'11" up to 6'9".
Wow, that's a great range. I know a lot of people have to kind of choose a sim rig that kind of fits their body profile, but it looks like you guys had that design in mind while you made these cockpits.
Actually, we made the rig fit the person.
That's great. That's great.
Instead of the other way around.
So also tell me a little bit about like what you can kind of do to these rigs, what's the price they kind of start out with, and also what items you could add to these rigs.
So this rig is available as a standard product with an onboard monitor mount included. There's a couple of accessories that you can buy. The frame itself, as you see it here, is about $9.99 US. And
it's a very competitive price.
Yes, and the seat, it's actually on the middle one behind you. This seat here, that's our two-piece seat. That one retails for around $350 US. So you're looking at a ready-to-race system of about $1,350.
For sure.
And then we have accessories that you can add. You can add a shifter mount on either side. You can add upper accessory mounts. You can add a PC tray. You can add a keyboard tray. There's a whole lot of other things that we can do with it. We can add the Xeneon Edge you see there. So this was set up so that it replaces the in-screen dash.
Yeah, this is a really great version. Yeah, I really like these monitors because they're also touchscreen.
Yep.
You could also work as them on a desktop where you can have a virtual stream deck.
Yep.
But it's a really great solution for people looking for a second monitor setup or a digital display unit. This thing can do it all.
Oh yeah, and you can use it for a trackpad, you know, so you could have the right side of this dash as a trackpad.
I didn't even know that. That's actually incredible. So what's the price of these?
That one's going to retail for around $299 US.
That is also extremely competitive because most digital display units are already up into that range. And also the size of the screen is absolutely massive.
And it's OLED.
And it's OLED.
Yep.
I'm going to go buy one right now.
Got a few here.
Oh, that's incredible. I'm falling in love with this product. So also one thing to note, that what really stuck out to me about these Clubsport cockpits is the ease of cable management. So I know over at one of the rigs over here with the freestanding monitor mount, what went to the design of making the cable management very accessible or very interchangeable? So what was it in your mind when you made this?
Well, I've been in the sim racing industry for a couple of decades and I've built a lot of rigs and tested a lot of systems. And there was no rig that actually had a perfect solution to get rid of all your cables. And most sim racers really hate cables.
Yeah,
because
cable management
clutters everything up.
Especially with all the peripherals.
Yeah.
You have about 4x the amount of cables you would on your regular desktop PC.
So we designed the rig to have the same cable management on both sides. So if you were to not use the PC tray and you had the PC on the floor next to the rig, you can decide if it's on the left or right side. You can still route all your cables.
Very awesome.
Frame. So we have at the back where the Fanatec logo is, we have a cutout underneath there.
To pass your cables through.
Pass cables through, yep. And then in the middle, we have another cutout under there for the shifter. So if you put a shifter on either side,
you can run
that cable through.
What an innovative design.
Thanks.
Must say.
And then we have another one halfway up the front. So I'll just point to it. There's another one about here. And then there's another one here. And another one here. So you can route all your cables through the frame underneath the PC tray and then have the I/O ports directly over this PC tray.